YouTube, how y'all feeling? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling wavy. If your sneak game not on point, you crazy. It's your boy T the Sneaker King, back with another sneaker review video. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications for any future content, any future videos. All support is greatly appreciated. As you can see in the title, shout out to Snkrs app, man. Your boy got a W on a Jordan 1 Bordeaux. I feel like this sneaker is a slept on sneaker, man. It's pretty, to me, and pictures from seeing them, they're pretty buttery, man. So we're gonna see what is unboxing. These did release November the 20th, 2021 at a retail price of $170. So let's hop right into this review. Let's get it. Yeah, man. Shout out to Snkrs app, man. On the W. They don't usually show love, but it shows your boy some love on these. So, salute to them. And shout out to Nike, man. As you can see in the box, they ain't got no Nike sign on there. So take it. You know what I mean? So that's a W right there. You know what I mean? No sign on there saying Nike. So that's a big plus. Yeah, man, let's see how these joints looking, man, in person. And as you can see, regular, Jordan 1 box, bottom, Nike on it. You get that close up on there. Air Jordan 1, retro high, OG, Bordeaux metallic, 10.5. Yeah, retail for $170. Yeah, so let's get it. You know what I mean? Hop into it. These do come with an extra pair of laces. I need to throw the white ones in there. Just throwing that, you know what I mean? So, bang! The Jordan 1 Bordeaux. You know what I mean? Get a little sprinkling and glisten on this joint. Looking real buttery. Leather quality is A1 steak sauce. Yeah, these ones is A1 steak sauce, man. You can see right there, the quality is good quality. Yes, sir. Got that Bordeaux bottom. Let's hop right into it, man. You got this Bordeaux colored bottom. Man, little Nike right there. We got this white missile. Man, the leather all up through this thing is crazy. I mean, we got that silver metallic Nike swoosh. We got that Bordeaux coming all the way across the toe box right here. Coming up. Right up in there to the top of the shoe. We got this Air Jordan right here. Like a little clear Air Jordan logo. Back of the shoe. We got the Bordeaux in the back. Nice and buttery. Other side of the shoe, same thing. That silver Nike swoosh. Bordeaux. I mean, got the white leather. I mean, right there in the toe box. Got the Bordeaux strings, as I said earlier, they got the white strings you can throw them into. You know what I mean? If you want to switch it up. I like how they did with the tongue. I mean, got Nike Air right here. Let's check out inside. Take this on out of there. Yeah, inside, yeah, we got Nike Air inside of there, man. I mean, sock line is Bordeaux. Yeah, man. It's a dope shoe. I feel like slept on shoe. Hold up, man. Sub Sub up, your boy T got you, man. I ain't gonna let you down. I'm gonna keep coming with these bangers, man. Sub up. I wanna appreciate everybody that's showing love, subscribing to the channel, man. This is something I love. I love sneakers, man. There's a couple other things I love, but this is one of my loves in life. So I appreciate everybody that's subbing up to the channel, man. Keep subbing up, man, because when I hit 100 subs, I'm giving away a sneaker, man. It's 3 sneakers. You pick one of your choice, man. I'm gonna have the Jordan 5 Oreos. Let them know your size. I'm gonna have the Jordan 6 Bordeaux, and I'm gonna have these the Jordan 1 Bordeaux. So look, sub up, man. Get in the comment section. Let me know how you feel, man. And follow me on my Instagram at tthesneakerking. So look, I'm gonna be giving away a shoe. So I'm gonna pick somebody from the comment section. I'm my subscribers. I'm gonna pick somebody that follow me on Instagram. You gotta come on if you wanna get these shoes, man. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Right back into the shoe. Yeah, man, these is dope. Dope shoe. I feel like it's something new, something different colorway. Now something fresh to the Jordan 1s. Dope shoe, man. These are different. These are buttery. Yeah, man, these are flamers, man. Yeah, man, I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I appreciate all the support. You know, I'm gonna hit you with the on foot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your notifications for any future content, any future videos, man. I appreciate all the support. Y'all know the motto: salute the real, stay lane free, stay sucker free. Peace.